In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Linktree free version to essentially build a landing page where you can send people to multiple different social media platforms or products or pages. So first you want to go ahead and go to Linktree. Here is the URL, or you can just type it in on Google and just get here. Now you want to then go and sign up for a free account in the top right hand corner. Now the free account they say is free forever, so you can just go ahead and sign up and use the free plan forever. First you're going to need to choose a username. So bear in mind, when you choose your username, it's going to go on the end of your Linktree URL. By default, your username is going to be linktr.ee/ and then your username. So for the video, I'll just make my username video example, and then I'm going to enter in my email and agree and create my account. Now they're going to try and upsell you a plan, but again, it is completely free. If you use the free version, you can see it's free forever. So scroll down, click join for free, and continue to my Linktree. You are going to need to verify your email, so just go ahead and do that. They will send you an email. And here I am on the account dashboard, and here I'm going to give you the overview about how you can use Linktree, the dashboard, and so on. So what we've got here is we've got a landing page example of what your landing page would look like on phone. So you can see we've been given a background color already. We haven't uploaded any profile image, and our username is visible video example. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add a link to our page. So if we go to add a new link, this window is going to pop up where we can enter in a URL, which is where we're going to send somebody when they go to our Linktree and click on that link. We can also give it a title. So let's say we want to send someone to my YouTube channel. So here is my YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is grab the URL. Then if we go back to Linktree, I can simply paste in that URL, and it might autofill the title, it might not. You can see we're linking to the YouTube website. I'm going to give it a title, and I'll just type in here YouTube. So now this link should appear, and you can see it says YouTube. Now you've obviously got your own things that you're going to link to, but what you're going to need to do is get the URL and paste it in these boxes and give it a title. You can also go ahead and add a thumbnail, so you can set a thumbnail, whether that be your own thumbnail that you've already made or you've downloaded, or you can choose one from an icon. If any of these are useful to you, they're not amazing, but you can use them. You can also schedule here when your link goes live, and you can also lock this so you don't move it around. But that's just how you would add one link, and you can add as many as you want. So now moving into appearance, we've done links, now we're moving into appearance. So if you click on appearance in the top left hand corner, that will take you to obviously the appearance section, where you can customize what your actual landing page looks like. Now there isn't a lot of customization with the free version, but you can customize little bits here. So you've got your profile title, which you can change to whatever you want. You've got your bio, which obviously you can type in, again, anything here, and that will show here next to your profile title. You can then upload your own custom image. So I can click pick an image here. We can upload our own image. We can design one with Canva, or we can upload an NFT. If you scroll down even more, you've got themes. Now there aren't many themes that you can choose with the free version, but there are a couple, right? And you can customize them to make them look okay. I like this lake white one, and the lake black one is also decent. Now let's say you've customized everything as you'd want it. You've also added as many links as you needed. We're now going to share this URL with people and use Linktree. So we'll go to the share icon in the top right hand corner, and here we can copy the Linktree URL. If you open a new tab and simply paste that in, it's then going to go to your Linktree profile, and here it is. And if someone was to click on one of the links, which in our case was YouTube, it will then redirect them to our YouTube channel. As you can see here, it's loading pretty slow, but here is our YouTube channel. So that was a quick overview on how you can use Linktree. Leave a like, and if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.